Gray hair is a trendy thing these days. But, you won't love it if your hair starts becoming gray at a very young age. It is often caused by stress, liver problem, medication and other problems. Cumin seed contains linoleic acid that prevents this premature graying and helps you to maintain beautiful, black hair for long. Today, we will share with you how to white hair to black hair naturally permanently with black cumin seed and green tea, 100% effective. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, first we need onion. Hair problems are common and we are always on the lookout for ways to maintain and strengthen the hair. You must have come across many natural remedies for your hair woes, but did you ever consider using onions? If not, then you must try onions. You can use onion juice for hair regrowth, male pattern baldness and make hair grow dense. Onions can help you with your hair growth. We will see how exactly onion benefits you. Onion juice is known to be a sure-shot method for hair regrowth. By using onion juice for hair, dandruff and thickness issues are also resolved. Let's look at some of the benefits of onions for hair. Second, we need black cumin seed. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, which is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that may also have tumor-reducing properties. People can ingest black seed oil in the form of capsules or apply it topically to benefit the skin. It is also possible to add the oil to massage oils, shampoos, homemade skincare products, and fragrances. High-quality black seed oil is also suitable for use in cooking, baking, and beverages. Second, we need green tea. The benefits of green tea for hair are mainly due to the various nutrients and antioxidants present in it. One of them in vitamin B, panthenol. Vitamin B is good for hair health as it helps in controlling split ends, softens the hair and strengthens hair roots, follicle. Drinking green tea as well as direct application of green tea to the hair helps in absorption of vitamin B. The panthenol present in green tea is also used in shampoos and conditioners. Green tea also has theanine, which is a unique amino acid which works along with panthenol to strengthen the hair. And last, we need 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix it well. We have to mix it well. Ready for use. How to use. Apply on white hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.